Hi and welcome to this short and sweet 10-minute Yin Yoga sequence. As you can see, my dog Merkaba is really excited about what we're doing today. So let me just grab his toy for a second here as I explain. There are absolutely no props required for this class. You can do it in the morning, in the evenings, or any time during the day when you feel like you need a bit of a break. And we'll begin in a reclined butterfly. This is a really nice resting pose, but also so beneficial for your body. So simply lay down on your back, your feet come together, knees apart. Make sure that your back is nice and long, that your neck is nice and long, and you can place your hands wherever suits you best right now. It can be on your hips, down by your side, on your body. Simply choose what works for you and settle in. Begin to deepen your breath, and with the help of your hands, support your thighs as you bring your legs back up. Take a moment here. You can widen your feet a bit. And the next pose we'll move into is a reclined child's pose. So simply bring your legs in towards your chest. You can give them a nice big squeeze before settling into the pose. You choose how wide you want your legs to be. Choose the intensity. The goal here is to relax. So find what is perfect for you in this moment and settle in. Begin to deepen your breath and then gently return your feet to the mat. Now, before we move into Savasana, if that feels good to you, you can lift yourself up, support yourself with your hands, and do a few windshield wiper motions with your legs to release the hips a bit more. If not, you can just make your way to Shavasana, and we will follow in a second. So whenever you are ready, find your way into our final resting pose. Let your feet flop to the sides. You can wiggle around a bit, find that perfect position. Your palms are facing up towards the sky. The back of the neck is long. And just breathe. Breathe into this pose. This is going to be a short Shavasana, but if you have time, feel free to stay here for as long as you would like. If you're ready to come out of Shavasana, you can wiggle your fingers and toes. Do a few no motions with your head. And then just gently roll onto one side. And then use your hands to push yourself up into a seat. Place your hands together at the heart in Anjali Mudra. And just for a moment, sink into gratitude. Thank yourself for taking the time in your day to do something wonderful for yourself. Thank you.